Wake up! If you're tired of being broke, this video is for you. Does your money disappear every month? You work 40, 50, 60 hours and have nothing to show for it? If you nodded, even once, watch this video. I'm Wealthy Stickman, and I'm going to show you something that changes everything. Today, I reveal the real reason millions stay broke and the solution that changes everything. A quick warning, this might make you uncomfortable because the truth, it hurts sometimes, but it also sets you free. Meet Bob. Bob is you. Bob is me. Bob is most of America. Bob works 40, 50, sometimes 6 hours a week. He's tired. He's grinding. But he's still broke. End of the month. He earns $5,000. Finally, he thinks, I made it. But a few days later, most of it is gone. Where did it go? Rent, car payment, credit cards, restaurants, online shopping, subscriptions. They all take a piece. He's left with $85 for the whole month. How is that possible? Wait a minute. Bob earns good money, but he's broke. Something is wrong here. Here's the truth that will change your life.
This is the Paycheck Trap. Work, get paid, pay bills, repeat. Work, get paid, pay bills, repeat. You're running, but you're going nowhere.
Bob gets a raise, but watch this. New phone, better car, bigger apartment. His expenses go up more than his raise. He's actually losing money. Lifestyle inflation. Earn more, spend more, stay exactly where you are. This is why raises don't make you rich. Lifestyle inflation. Earn more, spend more, stay exactly where you are. This is why raises don't make you rich. Looking rich versus being rich. They are completely different things. Meet Alex. Alex looks rich. Luxury car, designer clothes, expensive watch, but he has $500. Meet David. David looks ordinary. Simple clothes, small house, but he has $500,000.
Alex looks rich but has $500. David looks ordinary but has $500,000. Which one do you want to be?
The secret. Rich people buy assets. Broke people buy liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. That's the difference. Rental house, asset, money comes in. Stocks, asset, money grows. Car loan, liability, money goes out. Credit card debt, liability, money burns. Most Americans, income, spend, save nothing. The wealthy, income, invest, spend what's left. They pay themselves first, before rent, before fun, before anything. Investing is non-negotiable. Two people, same income. One spends $300 a month. One invests $300 a month. This is compound interest. Money makes money, and that money makes more money. It grows slowly. Then it explodes. I'm Wealthy Stickman. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell. Next video, how credit scores work and why they cost you thousands. Your journey starts now. See you there.